From where I was sitting, it looked like the roof was just coming down.
Celebration turned tragic when a worker fell through the roof of a local banquet hall. Thanks for joining us at 5. I'm Ken Rice.
And I'm Erika Stanish in tonight for Christine. And all new at 5, KDKA is talking to those who jumped into action to care for the man and what may have led up to the incident. Inside the New Englander Banquet Center in Newcastle was a packed room Friday morning with more than 300 business and elected officials celebrating the 9th Annual Impact Awards. It was just before 10 a.m. when Brandon Rischel says he was on stage receiving an award when the ceremony took a tragic turn just 10 feet away from him.
I just began to speak and noticed that the ceiling tile and a gentleman fell through the ceiling of the event.
The building owner says he had subcontractors on the roof making repairs after high winds tore part of it off in March.
It's been basically raining inside the building.
KDKA talked to the project manager who explains what may have led up to the collapse.
One of the roofers was walking across one of the other building's roof sections and stepped on a part of the roof that we believe was maybe an old skylight from the mill, and he fell through the roof.
Within seconds, several first responders and attendants jumped into action.
Realized that there was a person that was underneath some building material that was there, uncovered the person that was there, and to begin to administer medical care that we could.
First responders believe the man, identified as 23-year-old Donald Wilson, fell approximately 30 feet. We're told he was still breathing when an ambulance rushed him to a nearby hospital.
Our biggest concern, obviously, is his health and well-being. We're sick to our stomachs. We're worried like crazy and just been asking everybody for prayers for him.
Forward Lawrence was hosting the event and sent a statement in part saying, in light of today's unexpected and deeply upsetting incident, we want to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who joined us for this year's Impact Awards. We sincerely apologize for the distress and disruption caused. The safety and well-being of all attendees, workers, and partners is always our top priority. And as of this evening, there is no update to the man's condition.